Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just dropping this really quick video on some of my nail haul things that I've purchased. So these are some glitters that I got from Walmart. I'll try to find the link for them below. And I thought they were really pretty, and they were like under $3 for each one of these packs, which was great. I love glitters. I use any glitter from anywhere to make my glitter mixes, so go check out Walmart for those. I also got this from Walmart. It's a light duty like knife, so pretty much I'll use that to like cut the acrylic on my nails, so that when I'm doing certain designs, you can just use that real quick. I also got this in my mailbox today. I don't remember where I ordered it from. I remember I mentioned buying them before from Amazon. That link is in the previous video on YouTube. I think I ordered more and it just came really quickly. But yeah, that's my little haul with my Walmart and what I got in the mail. And this is another Red Iguana unboxing. So this is my November Red Iguana. And as you can tell, these videos were recorded at different times because in the first part of the video, my nail was not done. And in this part of the video, my nails are done. So if you like how these nails look in this quick video, stay tuned because I will be dropping that video on how I created this design and this look using polygel. I'm not a big polygel fan, but these nails came out really nice. So yeah, I think I will be investing more and doing a little bit more polygel sets. Anyway, this is my nail box for Red Iguana. And let's see what's in this box today. So we start off with these joyful nail stickers. So you can do line work kind of with these stickers. They're really pretty. I like them. I have a bunch of these already. But I really like how these are. They're really shiny and glossy. It's really nice. And then I have the magnets for the cat eye, and now I have way more. Now I have more. I have one already. It's okay. I'm hoping that these magnets are even better. That black magnet, I don't even know how to use it yet, but I will learn. Surely will learn because I got this new cat eye gel polish. I think the company, I don't want to butcher the name of the company. It looks really pretty. I wish I got this box sooner because I probably would have used that color. And I also got a UV gel soak off builder gel from the same company, Egoista. I'm sure I butchered that, but and it came in the color Classic Tan. It's a builder gel, and that's a big jar, guys. So like I said, your Red Iguana box is worth it because I'm sure what I paid for my box, that's probably just 2 items, the builder gel and the actual cat eye nail polish probably together. And this, guys, I actually like this nail file idea where you just put the strips on and then you can pull them off after each client. And of course, because it's a metal nail file, the nail file part, you can just sanitize and disinfect. Kind of cool. I'm going to use it out on myself first just to see if I like it or not and see if that's something I would invest in for clients. And then Red Iguana sent me these really nice fall leaves. I have some already that I bought like on Amazon, but hey, the more the merrier. So yeah, guys, like I said, a real quick video. I have some more videos coming out. Stay tuned for those. YouTube won't let me be great. Every time I try to post, there's an issue. But you should see a new video coming out soon. Bye, kitties.